Hello. Today I'd like to tell you about built-in waterproof AVEL TVs with small screen sizes. There are 4 models in this line: 23.8-inch, 27-inch, 32-inch and 43-inch size. All these TVs have IPS LED panel with full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080, except for the 43-inch AVS 430SM model, which has 4K UHD. Viewing angles are 178 degrees vertically and horizontally. All models are made in several colors. TVs can be purchased with a white frame, full mirror, and the most popular model AVS 245SM is also presented with a black frame. These TVs are made for in-wall installation and protected from moisture according to IPX4 standard, which has been confirmed by a testing laboratory. Protection is achieved thanks to the front panel made of safe tempered glass and a sealed steel case. The connection ports are also protected from water ingress by a special cover. You may notice that there are no holes for speakers on the front panel, because our company has been using special vibration speakers in all TVs for a long time. Thus, we managed to achieve a surround and clear sound that comes from the entire surface to the viewer. Initially, TVs were designed specifically for bathrooms, so all TVs have a separate power supply, which must be installed in a dry location. You can make a separate inspection hatch and place the TV interfaces there, or install everything in a recess behind the TV. If the TV is installed in the bathroom, pool, kitchen splashback, or any other wet area, be sure to use a silicone sealant when installing the TV according to our installation manual. The remote control is also designed for use with wet hands. It is protected from water splashing and short-term rinsing, but you should not immerse it in water. It is better to think about in-wall TV installation before renovating the room, since the device is mounted in a recess in the wall and requires hidden cables routing. Of course, you can install the TV after the renovation is complete, but it is more complicated and associated with a lot of dust and mess in most of the cases. AVEL TVs have built-in analog and digital tuners, and also support satellite and cable TV, pay-per-view channels, and subscriptions that connect via C+ slot. Any set-top boxes can be connected to one of the 2 HDMI slots. The first one supports CEC, so you can control the set-top box and TV with one remote control. The second one supports ARC, so you can connect external speakers or soundbar via one HDMI wire and adjust the volume with the TV remote control. Additionally, there are 2 USB inputs for connecting flash drives or external hard drives. Unfortunately, 2019 TVs have one common drawback: the lack of Smart TV option. But there is a simple solution. You can purchase Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, Mi Box or Apple TV Box. These are powerful and compact smart set-top boxes, and they are very easy to connect. Just plug the set-top box to the HDMI SEC input. These set-top boxes do not take up much space in the recess behind the TV and can be operated by the same remote control. They are also more powerful than a common integrated smart TV and has a proper long-term support and updates. If you consider integrated TV purchase, I invite you to visit our website www.aveselectronics.com. There you will find a variety of modern waterproof TVs that can be installed in the bathroom, bedroom, living room, kitchen, dining room, or other rooms of your home. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to our channel to know more about special TVs. Feel free to ask any questions about AVEL TVs right now in the comments, we will answer shortly. See you next time.